Every moment you make, every breath you take, every thought you think depends on one thing, not money, not oxygen alone, but tiny microscopic molecules working silently inside your body. These molecules build you, repair you, protect you, and even decide how your body functions. They are called proteins. Hello everyone, welcome to Life Science with Yami. Today, we are going to explore proteins in complete detail, from their structure and types to their function, synthesis, and importance in health. By the end of this video, you will have full understanding of one of the most important molecule of life. What are proteins? Proteins are large complex biomolecules made up of amino acids. They are one of the four major macromolecules of life. Along with carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids, proteins are present in every cell of the body and perform a wide variety of functions. They are polymers, meaning they are made by linking many small units together. In this case, those units are amino acids. Amino acids, building blocks. Amino acids are organic compounds containing an amino group, a carboxylic group, a hydrogen atom, a variable side chain. This R group is what makes each amino acid unique. There are 20 standard amino acids in human body. Essential amino acids must be obtained from diet. Non-essential amino acids synthesized by the body. Amino acids are linked together by peptide bond, forming long chain called polypeptides. Levels of protein structure. Proteins have four levels of structure. Primary structure, the linear sequence of amino acids. Even a single change can affect the entire protein. Secondary structure, local foldings into alpha helix and beta sheets due to hydrogen bonding. Tertiary structure, the overall 3D shapes formed by interactions like hydrogen bonds, ionic bond, disulfide bridges, and hydrophobic interactions. Quaternary structure, some proteins consist of multiple polypeptide chains. Example, hemoglobin. The shape of protein determines its function. If the structure is altered, the protein may lose its activity. This is called denaturation, caused by heat, pH, or chemicals. Classification of proteins. Proteins can be classified in different ways based on structure. First, fibrous proteins, long and strong. Structural role is example, collagen, keratin. Globular protein, spherical shape. Functional role is example, enzymes and hemoglobin based on composition. Simple protein, only amino acids. Conjugated protein, protein plus non-protein part like hemoglobin. Based on function, they are having enzymatic, structural, sub-transport, hormonal, etc. Function of proteins. Proteins perform countless functions. Enzymes act as catalysts to speed up biochemical reactions. Structural role, provides support to the cell and tissue. Transport, carry molecules like oxygen and nutrients. Hormones regulate body processes like insulin. Defense, antibody fight infection. Movement, actin and myosin enable muscle contraction. Storage, store amino acids or ions. Receptors help cells respond to signals. Without proteins, life cannot exist. Protein synthesis. Protein synthesis occurs in two main steps. Transcription. DNA is copied into messenger RNA, mRNA in the nucleus. Transcription. mRNA is read by ribosomes. The amino acids are assembled into a proteins. Transfer RNA bringing the correct amino acid. This process follows the genetic code and ensure correct protein formation. Sources of proteins. Proteins come from diet. Animal sources, egg, meat, fish, milk contains complete protein. Plant sources, pulses, beans, nuts, seeds may lack some essential amino acids. Balanced diet ensure proper protein intake. Protein deficiency and disorders. Lack of protein lead to muscle wasting, weak immunity, growth failure, severe deficiency diseases like kwashiorkor, edema, swollen belly, marasmus, severe wasting. Excess protein can also strain kidneys. Importance of protein. Proteins are essential for growth and repair, enzymes and hormone production, immune protection, maintain body structure. They are truly the foundation of life. Inside your body, billions of proteins are working every second without rest, without recognition, keeping you alive. And all of this starts from something as simple as amino acids. If this video helped you understand protein deeply, like, share, and subscribe to Life Science with Yami. Stay curious because science is not just knowledge, it's the story of life itself.